Hey! Welcome to Howza Channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to find eBay completed auctions. Open your web browser and go to the eBay webpage. Search the products you're interested in. Scroll down the left side filters list. Look for Buying Format. Check Auction. Scroll down the filter list again and click on More Filters. Select Show Only from the left side list. Check Completed Items. Click Apply. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!